Hi everyone, welcome back to our series on CMS software. In this video, we will dive into the GST invoice feature, an essential tool for the CAs. This feature helps you easily create GST bills for your clients based on the tasks they have assigned to you for the financial year. As a CA, invoice generate करना आपकी जॉब का सबसे important काम होता है. Whether you are providing tax, auditing, or any other services to your clients, you need a way to accurately calculate and document the fees along with the applicable GST. So now I am going to show you that how you can create a GST invoice for your clients in CMS software. Start by entering the client's details such as name, GSTIN number, bill number, etc. So I am selecting the client name as Nikita. क्लाइंट्स की सारी फॉर्म डिटेल्स एंड एड्रेस ही अपने आप फेच कर लेगा जो भी हमने क्लाइंट मास्टर में क्लाइंट क्रिएट करते हुए फिल किया होगा. So I fill the bill number, financial year, date, GSTIN and location of supply. Next you will enter the task details or other services you have provided for the client. See, could be anything from tax filing, auditing or other accounting related work. The beauty of this software is that the software automatically calculates the GST for you based on the entries you make. I selected the type of tax, I'm putting the values and simply clicking on the add. It will automatically calculate all the taxes. So here you can put the discount by value. All calculations are automated, meaning you don't have to worry about manually calculating the tax amount. Once the details are entered, the software generates a final GST invoice that includes both the net amount and GST amount. And also suppose if you need to make any changes, all of the information is fully editable. Now I am simply clicking on the save. Here the GST bill has been created. Once you are happy with your invoice, आप इसे print कर सकते हैं and आप इसे save भी कर सकते हैं. So why is this feature so useful for CAs? First, it saves you a lot of time by automating the calculation. No more manual calculation, reducing the chance of error. Secondly, it ensures accuracy as every GST calculation is done according to the current tax rules. Sum up, the GST invoice feature in CAMS simplifies the entire billing process for CAs. With automatic GST calculations, editable fields, and easy saving and downloading options, it is a powerful tool to ensure you are efficient and organized.